Demand is growing for a special legislative session. This is Benjamin Brown with The Insider in Raleigh with that story. A number of economic development tools were on the table in this year's short session of the General Assembly, but lawmakers moved on without addressing them. They included a new fund to entice new business prospects. Other proposals included extensions to the existing tax credits for the film industry and for improvements to historic buildings. Left hanging, parties including the League of Municipalities, Charlotte Mayor Dan Clodfelter, Commerce Secretary Sharon Decker, and some Southeastern legislators have sent letters to Governor Pat McCrory asking that he call the legislature back to focus on those items, arguing jobs and investments are at stake. There is some opposition to the idea. Conservative group Americans for Prosperity says these incentives are corporate welfare and aren't fair to everyday taxpayers. Governor McCrory still hasn't said what he will do. Reporting from Raleigh for The Insider and the News and Observer, this is Benjamin Brown.